Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Dan chiremu a yema mpenye de ba ye fa eye ketasehya osun se nipa bi ede efofore no at the same time anabontu agwatu ede afa ho CDD etomasum
so me amila che chief for mutia no paying na nya toyasum ye tie kakra follow pa nyanga say na say yes special project for corruption a friend corruption watch and you know me say president my mass speech a faster corruption na me very much interested in me spend the time at Kosiewe.
Okay efahin na okan ya etomasum pa
me amila say enema me sta na me pick it from the speech no one the normal for speeches that what the president be an candidate or opposition okay and Obama okay follow the same sequence from Mills to from the part for we see Prof Mills ABC Nana Akufo-Addo so that did you know so my reference that President Mills born to one idea back one nation and so can one of 12 boom catastrophe for you no my certain measures about the big work when Obeka said there was an expose or habo and will pay surprise visits or quite more cano utim said the opposition the oka hono no na ebuebra kakra afi na this statement ne kwaya say say ultimate phone ya mwana ultimate nyahwe that was not what he said there mean can say corruption in the fight President 4 times so Obeka said yenya say be say corruption is from Adams and awful as what can say here in I am more and it's not different from what President Akufo-Addo has said. In fact, already on my promises Bakune special prosecuting officer was set up. The end of so the 12 ball can in our chest say why not from the institutions no any of mining in our state any different. Yes, the mayor who said there's an acknowledgement say corruption is a problem or your memoir. A dear problem, yeah, no. Say ubia ebe position dia so ma home hu ekwan obefa so a or the beto ase e no tina yen tiri di Ghana ya na head that taking notes during campaign who said what na oba ya monitor who say a tick box na who say the kind of me and pepe pa and here back e to so me no me pikin ma me nsan e pa me short e kan the last time I hear speech on corruption there me nsan o kan e say say bit me to corruption I bit me atiso no kwado wo senya dey bit me to so kra fi say ye ni me far by ne say dey tie e bit me atiso kra ko time aye pa e kire say ye hia political will. 2 ye hia say institutions na ya set up no ye be ma the needed logistics including qualified staff and na say judicial system no man corruption as say ye nya mra be ma corruption no o motumi ye deal with it speedily. The behavior of citizens it needs here. And get job corruption. The hearing in the but the through partner you dear commitment or by seriousness to it. And cases happen, so they be a handle no, and I may give you to an amount and to an amount. He doesn't make the president. Me marking also as young corruption cases 1,000 away what the above on thing. In market who one the commitment was it and the two back home you know but they one sem attempt to pay the aya Jessica and I they fight. As I'm the market media.
Okay it is sesana of the market dia yanche aben wo commitment a wo me show say wo de be ko atia ye ketasehye e wo ye memo etesen
meaning we something bisa make us is 40-60. 40 years the commitment of the president say or tries or the institutions may regulations be go akwem na etu anokan. Yes, meaning na the office of the special prosecutor. If you say na ya na member akon efisi be independent body bia ba which me gina no na corruption the any mandate to akon asie logistics so our kama other corruption fighting institutions the financial crime unit of the police service offer a friend is saying Yoko offer Shraj BNI waka logistics ni nneɛma wɔde aboɔ wɔn nyinaa nti ɛno deɛ wotum sɛ commitments ne kakra wɔ hɔ wohwɛ a first no na corruption cases no yɛnte ho nsɛm papa say abɛyɛ public domain ama baby a biara no wotum sɛ menu bi nyinaa yɛte ho asɛm so the information is not being hidden from the public yɛte aseɛ ɛno fa ho a minhu ade titiri papa biara aban wei ayɛ sɛ yɛde fight corruption for example say your institution to say special prosecutor yabo a car establishing the logistics among all the other institutions of fighting corruption. I don't think there's a need for us to go ahead and continuously be establishing special commissions to investigate corruption. Why I say that is that over the years, I mean, we learned the kind of politics to our country, I say no more. And until and police services, it's all because of the appointment nature of the leadership. Nti yɛfo sɛ adeɛ a ɛfa aban na appointees ho no sɛ aban no kɔte ɔno ana committee ana commission so investigate ana flat ni wɔ papa nti ɛka na ɛbɛbɔ de ate commissions no ana committees no adan na institutions na wɔn yɛ mandated to fight corruption ana investigate corruption cases no yɛn revampi wɔn mu yɛn mom the needed logistics the needed attention to move fan fight. Two, sɛdeɛ resort kan wɔ no statement nneɛma mmiɛnsa the will and friends the logistics and the behavior of the public. Mean they needed attention at the third aspect education, sensitization, information giving. Mean seriousness about that aspect. And young citizens need the behavior because why it's and I said now since the research be public institutions nipa corporate services and call for experience with them as far as corruption is concerned. If our passport office, if our license office, and other offices, meaning a grievous. A say, despite you highlight or ministerial corruption, there are our service providers are also having these endemic corruption characters in them. Into a baby, say, you better train, you might be sending in a boom, your institutions, your mom logistics, you educate, you sensitize the public, to understand the corruption cases, understand the steps in corruption, and have a free toll number for which I report to. If me chat picture cry friends, the WhatsApp crowds and they say, me koye service to attend near Jamie. Me koye will private near Jamie. Say all these avenues are there. Report corruption case. Tell na yeah sometime past eba eno kura kasa what system no man ko for abu. Enam sa sa ma me nsen kwa animu no da bia ye dia no and corruption cases we are making attempts to set structures but we don't give it the necessary attention ye ma all the necessary ingredients emma in the corruption fight no employ you papa
na yenhye aya amanyofo kwan a na wo fa so ka keta ahye ho nsem se wo mo opposition na aya na kasa na nko no mo ba ba mu a no so kasa na nko na no ne ba ne sa na ayomamu na no mo dadan ana se de
mini ana meka no sɛ ebia Ghana asem deɛ hu sɛ ade a ha adwene nye Ghana hanko ba bia sɛ wokɔpɔ leadership even SRC president mpo no wohwɛ ade a challenge wɔ campus wɔ no na ade campaign ɛno ntina mɛka sɛ ade a highlighting over the years like say edi nya pa and the president Akufo-Addo said it straight away also ɔmɛmu hasika wɔ ha na ade ba kwan ma yesika ne nkɔso yɛ kata hye ne proye ɛyampa pick Auditor General's report over the years. And I think the last one made the year paper crowd here. Not only the friends MMDs, Metropolitan Municipal Industrial Assemblies, it was well I was saying 59 million kind of cities and they were home management in Kwan. What district assemblies in Kwan. Say so far Auditor General's report. After so our Kasa our brings it's all kind of report in the latter part of the fight to corruption now. Or Kasa it has been consistent over the years, but it seems there is no action being taken on them. News as I say about lamentation. Nabamu yebu. In the idea I will hold that the name say idea how you doing. In some ebedi or mansua or picking no as a singular campaign message, no promising and the over by your home. But that the okay umbe do what no who say you commitment to it. It's there are three issues altogether. But sometimes Akufo-Addo say we're concentrating much on the two. We set up special prosecutor with the kind of one na di mu me joti nyema basics why or the aboa institutions so fight corruption or the crime the friends saying Department of the Ghana Police Service Logistics, and what set up cybercrime division or Honomayamu computers, Yoko and Yoko Shrage so a moment capacity to do it. Federal prosecutor or the judicial service or more independent to fight corruption. Until the side of citizens, how do we come in? How do we help? One of the issues which they are fighting corruption is information. So, especially in few investigative journalists, out. But it gets to a point that when you say information crime out, International Special Prosecutor Act, the BB will say periodically, on briefing the country, the status of corruption cases about the all these things are important. So, as of mine. Say corruption case fight and yes access sanitation one of the most priorities in the country as a fight is the believe that the memoha the mismanagement means me enko ye means me fanya jumadia yam fight as much as we can. Now your map citizens we can do that. So why you committed when you say be a corruption case baby are not afraid. They can even give you numbers. In service B let's say for instance and this country is doing it Kenya. Service B, it will be Fabra. But before Kenya did that, almost all the service provisions and comfort alcohol what publish cost charges or in the medical passport office, I mean, it's a in the Jimmy Bibi Bros up as a testicle. So I say, it goes further than we just trying to say, my past special prosecutor, my police service logistics. It's not enough.
Okay. Yansha institutions are ya na wamu ye adwuma the titire ye nhwehwemu de fa se bibia yesusu se keta ahye ebombom sa institutions is basa ye womamu na se wamu ye adwuma dwie na obi hu se adwuma na mo ye no antwagie ana se amfani kwan mu nipa ne timi fa na ode asem na kwa kugina court na court take a decision e wo sense mo ho a ye wo ho instances e BSC pen. Banana Banisana, Fabi Becca's institutions in the crown say, woman new institutions in it. Ne Fabian so Cassa, young institutions in it. Now, woman, the idea assembly down, woman to me, you should wear the phone. A Banisana, na a fahina yeko, a brad yen, I would GDS, yenya institutions in the moon, GDA, a woman, Jumedia, woman, do.
As a democracy advocate, there, Ocas institutions, we say in 100 years, me no one judging. But said the no nipa behavior, nipa bia behavior kakra beta ho. Nipa de yisu nearby. And until institutions are these structures in place, put structures in place, serve as checks and balances. Maybe I make say, and there may be possible memoha. I say, okay, say you was institution way, but you okay say institutions when I whatever say, oh yeah, you must say. So far, institution be your internal auditor, your external auditor. But both are who say auditor general external auditing now. Unya more friends and cases. And I think an internal auditor na said yes, or better and no crown sana for any bano. So what do we do to set intensity? If the structure is in place, that's why we be some advisor. Make say about OKFM, PCFM. That's una many internal auditor. Na me power say kwame despite na me the external auditor ba na obehu bibia wo ya internal auditor no when you should have bear some of the punishment unless everything my report say you saw it, you spoke about it, yeah, it was not taken on board. See, there is structures with place here obia your man responsibility no you put your hold on his accountability level. I think the end lose right away. What is the duty of the internal auditor? I say obi government internal auditor be ban sana who say saka we koto ye kululu wase abroad dey atoya to dey atena no say na office sana man emmempu and so the internal auditor ba the same nipa no say dey maybe my recommendation say you go with obi sida esisium say wo amasama and amasama district assembly na say ko busa dan ni go a o me call in charge of inspections or more my see that cruise that level say the person so used to know because there's no need to pay him over there. If we put in place some of these structures from point to point on the line of chain of responsibility, no BIS and I said yes, we be one, my punishment in the canoa could be very responsible.
Okay. On my penny, man, and it's yes, I bind that down the moon penny for Bayer 21. And I know you one more office of the special prosecutor who saw you to Shimua. ɛno no ɔmkeka bom kora mama ɔmɛn yɛabɔka bɛyɛ 772 million Ghana cedis ana ɛyɛ nipa bi adwene nso sɛ saafoɔ no wɔn wɔ he na ebi ɔmampanya aka na ɔka ne saa kɛkɛ ɛno ne saa na ɛsɛ yɛ follow no
mini amedase emisɛ social special prosecutor act na yɛsi periodically brief yɛn nti we gina bɛboa yɛn for instance movie a mo de atum ho asɛ mo yɛ investigative journalist na mo be follow up some of these cases to see to the conclusion of it no civil society organizations bi so nim sɛ GIA or star DMGACC obi CDD Ghana beginning last year set up special office or her your friend corruption watch adwuma yɛ nyina ne sɛ mpempi ne ho sɛ corruption fight na koyɛ sɛ ija by 1 week 2 weeks next term. So what we are doing is that we are serializing all corruption cases investigation, my lawyers advice, and we will follow up to see the conclusion of the whole thing. That's how it's expected to be. And we can only do that, say your information said you're working here. Say some of these things, so they call special prosecutors website. I should be able to access this thing. 20 cases, 10 cases, sir. When they are involved, time by the expect baby investigation. Because website say with me so that I can also publicize it. Some of these things itself put checks on the people. If you have a bromide descent, one person will think about out. In some of these things itself will put checks in their system. In some website or pay me who in a pack of now Brampa Mensa, no procurement authority in 2018. Say no yeah, the one special prosecutor. You did it by May 2019. The case you investigation 1, 2, 3, 4. You do this stage. Where the year and who say he was not implicated in the free no. Where they are still going on. Where they who say we implicated by this time local courts. All these things are important for us. Some of us in the civil society organizations they follow these cases so that we can also put checks on it. But just to say that the because corruption said a short time. And back the leadership, the will of the leadership, your logistical and capacity of the institutions, and a contribution and behavior of the citizens. Contribution in it is a information. Since the information, if you think about the say every morning, over for be beside the say, more can say on the by September 2018, and I could bring Bumper Mensa case, no more about calling party do say. But and I'm so winning information, no, friends Rebecca 2020, a then case, when they involved, a do say, meaning only facts. Information sharing.
Okay, Joe. Yada se nana kwabena Brampa Mensa se also wode wanu di se media ba betu sensemi.
Mini amedase.
Utie oha extra ponk no. Needs FM.